Hey everyone, today I'm doing a swatch slash demo on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. It comes with these 14 beautiful shades, so stay tuned. So the first eyeshadow is called Tempera. It's this white tannish color. Next color is called Glistening. It's this nice pretty gold shimmery color. Next color is called Orange Soda. It's like this tannish slash orange color. I really like it. Next color is this really pink eyeshadow. It's called Rose Pink. It has a really nice shimmer to it. Next color is Sultry. It's this, it's hard to explain. It's like a purple shimmer mixed with pink, but it's really pretty. Next color is Bronze. This is just another gold, but this one's really pigmented. This next one is my favorite in the whole palette. It's called Mulberry. It's like this nice maroon color. It's so nice. Next color is Dusty Rose. It's this really nice, light kind of cool tone purple. Next color is another gold. Called Fairy. This is like the third gold in this palette, so I was kind of disappointed with that. Next color is called Burnt Orange. This is a really nice tan color, and yeah, it's very similar from the Modern Renaissance palette. Next color is called Sienna. This is a very cool tone red. It's very pretty. Next color is called Rustic. This is like a brownish, grayish, cool tone shadow. Next color is called Cypress Umber. I hope I pronounced that right, but it's this really, really deep brownish tone. And then the last color is called Noir. You can really do some really nice smoky eye looks with this color. So yeah, these are the 14 shades from this palette. Overall, I give this palette 2 thumbs up. It's really pretty, really nice looks you can do with this. So here's a quick demo that I did. First color, I'm going into Orange Soda. I'm just going to spread this all over my lid. For my transition color, I'm just going to use the color Burnt Orange. And I'm just going over with a blending brush, just make sure everything's blended, you don't see any harsh lines. For my brow bone, I'm just going to use the color Fairy, just to highlight. At that moment, I noticed that there is a little bit of fallout, so I had to dust off my brush a little bit, but I mean, the fallout isn't as bad as the Subculture palette. Now that was just For my crease, I'm just going to take the color Mulberry. This is one of my favorites. I think I said that before, but I really like this color. I can see myself using this daily. As you can see, I go back and forth with this blending brush because I'm just making sure I don't have any harsh lines, because that's not a good look. Next color is Dusty Rose. I'm just going to focus this on my lids. I'm just going to basically put this from my inner tear duct to the middle of my lid. Next, to add a little bit of shimmer to the look, I'm just going to take the eyeshadow Sultry and just directly put it into the middle of my lid. Just going to focus that in there. For my inner tear ducts, I'm going to take the color Rose Pink and just put that in the corner of my eye. And then to bring the whole look together, I'm just going to go back in with Mulberry and apply this close to my waterline as possible and just smoke it out. Overall, this is a really nice eyeshadow palette. I wish they would have did, 2 other colors that weren't gold, because there's already, enough gold in the palette. So that's my only con. I mean, and plus the kickback. But other than that, it's a really nice product. So 2 thumbs up, and definitely gonna do more with this palette. So like, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.